They got guys on scholarship, they got great coaches, so we knew they were going to make some plays too. It's just how we're going to rally and how we were going to bounce back and get them stopped.
Was that a bull rush on that?
Yes, it was. Coach Brooks always harps on that play. We go really hard on it Tuesday and Wednesday, and he's always like, you never know when you might get one, so you got to come 100%. You know, if you look at a lot of teams, they'll relax on that play. They won't go as hard. But we knew he was kicking them low liners, and we could get our hands on them from the beginning of the game. And just bull rush through. Brady helped me out. We had two guys on one of the guards, and I just put my hands up and blocked them.
Scale things back a little bit. Was that something you think is late here or that work everyone
we talked about that, but we was going to call that regardless. When we load up on one guy, we're always low. We're pretty good at knocking them back and getting our hands up. You know, we almost blocked a couple of them this year, so we just wanted to keep at it and keep going as hard as we can, and it paid off.
Maturity, emotional release, have that
it was unbelievable. I don't even remember. I don't remember what I did, but I just remember all my teammates out on the field jumping around. It was probably one of the best feelings I've had here.
How do you coach it? You demand it. Coaching, you demand it. Yeah, we've been there. Now,
from a,
been there now.
You know, you guys obviously didn't want to do things rushing-wise. They still haven't done what they want to, but if it's kind of, you bowed up and made some plays. Talk about that.
We bowed up when we had to. We got a couple fourth down stops, safety back there, fumble recovery back on the one. Our backs were against the wall. I think a big credit goes to the fans out there that got it. It's one of the loudest I've heard in the Valley in a while, and that was kind of like our 12th man. So we had a little momentum on our back when we were going in there 4th and 1 and 3rd and 1 and stop them. You know, they got a couple plays, but we pulled up when we had to. But we knew they were going to make a few plays.
Sorry.